Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a calendar view in Notion in just a few steps. So whether you are organizing tasks, planning events or tracking deadlines, this will help you keep everything well structured. So let's get started. First open Notion and navigate to the page that you'd like to add your calendar in. If it's a new page, give it a name. If it isn't, just click on any empty space you find in the page. Next, type in /cal and click on calendar view. Next, choose new empty database if you don't have one yet. If you already have a database, select link to an existing database. In my case, I don't, so I'll simply click new empty database. Finally, hover over any date that you'd like and click on the plus add an item button. Fill in the details like the name, let's say for example meeting, date, tags or any additional information. And that's it. You now have a fully functional calendar in Notion. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Notion tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and see you on the next video.